Hey guys, welcome to the next video in our process of mastering Python. In this video, we'll be building up on the last video where we saw comparison operators. Now, in this video, we'll be building up on that, looking at logical operators. Logical operators we always use logical operators in Python. Comparing logically two or more conditional statements. That's why it's very important to understand how comparison statement or comparison operators works in Python. If you are a little bit confused about comparison statement, I can give you an example just so you will be on the same track. Let's say we have 9 is more than 4. This is a we can say comparison statement. We are comparing 4 and 9. This is a comparison statement. We are comparing two things. Now let's say we want to do something only if 9 is more than 4, and also let's say and 3 is more than 2. By example, let's say we want to do something comparing two comparison statement. We want to do something only if this is true, both of them are true. Here is where logical operators come into the picture. In Python, we will do this with, let's say, so before me giving you even an example of logical operators, they are just three of them. They are just three of them, and or and not. What is the difference? So and is basically comparing, just we have just seen. Let's say we have 8 is more than 4, and 6 is less than 49. By example, let's try this example. Do you see here what is going on here? We are asking Python. We have two statements, let's say comparison statement. This is the first comparison statement, and this is the second. We are asking if this is true and this is true, the AND operator will return true. The AND operator returns true only if both operand, this is an operand, this is also an operand, only in the case that both operand are true, we will get true. Let's try to print out the result of this. Please Python print us this. We can go ahead and run this. As usual, we get true. Why? Because AND operator try to test this. If this is true, which we know 8 is more than 4, and this also is true, which we know 6 is less than 49, the AND operator will return true. Okay, let's say by example, let's just try to change things here. Let's say 8 is more than 40 and 6 less than 9, which we know this is false. Let's try to run this and see the result. We have false. Why we have false? Yeah, let me explain. The AND operator want both of them to be true to return true. If only one of them is false, the AND operator will return false. By the way, we can also compare string here. Let's say we want also to compare let's say the string a, and the string a, let's say is equal to the string a. also A. Let's try to do that. We can go ahead and run this. We'll get false. Just for curiosity, let's bring this back to true to see the result. Let's say 89 is more than 40 and 6 is less than 49 and A is equal to A. Let's run to see this. We have three operand, which we have three comparison statement. We are comparing them with the logical operator AND. Let's see the result. We have true. Why? Because this is true, this is true, this is true. Okay, I think that's clear for the AND the AND logical operator. Let's see the next operator, which is OR. Let's just skip our examples, and in this case let's just use OR. Let's just use OR. Here we have OR. If we run this, we will get true. The OR operators return true if one of the statement is true and false if one is false. Let me explain that. The OR operator, if only one of the operand is true, it will return true. If only one. For now, we have this is true, this is true. Let's make this false for now. This is false. We know 6 is not equal to 49, which is false. Let's try to run this. We get true. Why? Because 1 is true. Now let's try to make both of them false. Let's try to, this is false. 89 is not equal to 40, or 6 is not equal to 49. Let's try to run this. We shall get false. Why? Because both of them are false. Or operand returns true in the case that one of them should be true for the OR operand to return true. Now, I think with the OR logical operator, it's clear. Let's pass to the next statement, which is not the next logical operator, which is not. Let's just delete this for now. Let's delete this for now. And the NOT operator, how does it work? It will always reverse the result. It returns true if we have false. If it will return false if we have true. Let me give you a result. Let's say we have an example here. X is equal to 9, and and we say print please not X more than 90. We are asking is X, let's just put this in the parentheses and say, okay, we are asking the NOT operator, please print the NOT of the X more than 90. Let's try to run this and see. I will explain. True. Why it returns true? Here X is not more than 90. X is less, which is, this is false. This is value to false. The NOT operator will reverse that false, will get that false and change it to true. That's basically what's going on here. Give me what is here and I will give you the opposite of that. Think it in that way. It will take what you will give it and give you the opposite. If it's false, it will give you true. If it's true, it will give you false. That is, guys, for the logical operators in Python, I think not understandable. The most important is that they are free of them and or and not. I think it's understandable. If you don't understand, you can just watch everything. I think everything will be clear. Thank you very much for watching this video.